Hey traders, so over here we have the breakdown analysis of Euro Pound, and we actually sent this trade yesterday. You can see we entered live over here. Alright, so how we actually came about this trade is that on the 1 hour time frame, we realized that there is this supply zone that prices actually taps into. Correct, but this supply zone has been mitigated over here. So the moment it broke down, it got mitigated immediately, right? And some traders would have already caught this, but you understand that the mitigation can occur at the 50% level as well. So what do I mean by that? So if you measure the up to down move and you shift it towards adjust it towards the 50%, you realize that this level hasn't been mitigated, right? This is the mitigation. And that is why some of the traders who trades the smart money concepts, they actually use 50% as the mitigation area. So this is what happened, right? So what we did was to dive deeper into this supply zone. So can you see that on the 15 minutes time frame, we have this refined zone. So over here, we have this buy to sell candle, okay? And this is our 15 minutes supply zone. So notice what happened here. Prices taps in, right? Give us a shift over here. You can see this is the break of structure, right? And we were looking for places to sell, all right? If you want to be a participant over here, you could have been. You can see that after prices breaks down, it created this order block, this buy to sell move, and you could have placed a sell limit here, stop loss above this zone, and aim for a 1:3 already. Okay, but when you open the Euro Pound chart, prices already left off, and it was around this area. Okay, so you understand that on the supply zone on the 15 minutes, we do have space. We still have space or range over here for prices to liquidate before dropping off, right? So for this trading setup to be valid, prices needs to liquidate this area, okay, and move off from here. So when it liquidates this level, you can still see that prices are trading within this supply zone, right? And you can see that this is a bearish engulfing candle. So if I use the replay button, you can understand that many traders will have gotten in here, right? Because this is a retail bearish engulfing candle, right? Which serves as a very strong bearish pressure, right? But if you understand about the concepts, you actually realize that we always want a shift in structure, and that is why we do not sell immediately after this engulfing candle, but we wait for a clean break of structure. So this is our break of structure over here, right? We can see a clear shift from buy side to sell side, and as shown above here, while prices were forming its candle on the 15 minutes time frame, we actually just took a sell market order, right? So actually just sold around here. And that is how we caught the Euro Pound trade. So we take partials along the way, right? Here, here, here. And we're actually aiming for the demand zone on the daily time frame, which is here. So this is our ultimate runner inside of here, right? So because if you are looking at Euro Pound on the daily time frame and you look at this price action, what do you want to do? If you want to be a buyer, you want to wait for prices to tap into this demand zone, right? Because this is the demand zone that broke out of structure. So if I want to be a buyer in Euro Pound, I'll look for this sort of a move, right? A break of structure, the shift from weak hands to strong hands, and maybe a pullback onto demand zones over here before taking a buy, right? So I'm sure you can take buys inside of here as well after you see the break of structure, and it depends on you, right? So over here, if prices shows us the shift, breaking out of structure, what you want to see would be a pullback like this onto demand zones before buying off. You always want to see the shift from weak hands to strong hands, right? And that is our breakdown analysis for the Euro Pound. So then again, to end this off, please visit our website, claim your free starter package over here, right? Just click find out more, fill in your details, and we'll actually send you a PDF document of our free Sharks Trading Academy's methods and materials, all right?